We're entering it right now. This lavender farm is close to the villa, the vineyard that we are staying at right now. And Baba just saw it, and so we wanted to check it out. So they have a little store, and would love to see what they have. So this is their lavender path where you can check out their lavenders. They have a lot. Oh my god, and it smells so good out here. And I'm gonna go to the store. They have a little store which is so beautiful. I bet it smells so good in there too.
Hello, how's everybody doing this afternoon?
Hi.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We got two separate groups.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Sean. I'm one of the owners.
Hi.
I make most of the goodies. How you doing?
Good.
All right. It's been so quiet today. I started doing the dishes. I honestly didn't think anyone else was coming.
All came
So-
at the same time.
Yeah.
So I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
This for sure will not irritate the dog's skin.
All the ingredients are right listed on there. If there's something specific they're allergic to, it's all listed there. I can't, of course, 100% guarantee
Right.
because I don't know what their conditions are.
There's none.
Yeah, but I was gonna say if there's any issue with it at all, just bring it back. I'm very happy to refund, but I have not had. Yeah, it's perfectly safe for both human and canine
Because
use.
everything in here is like,
Nice. Yeah, it's waterproof.
Yeah, I get it. Because this is the real theme. It's
Yeah.
the original.
Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't cut any corners with it. There's a couple things we work with other companies to put together, like the bath bombs.
Uh-huh.
But I do the mixing, bottling, labeling for like the lotions, the creams.
Oh, so your mom, Molly, started this.
My mother, Meryl.
Oh, Meryl. Who's Molly?
Molly does the photography for us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Rosemary Farms.
Oh, yeah. I
And
know
then
who
just
you're talking
up
about.
there,
Yeah.
vineyards up there past the horse stables.
How's it going, sir? Did you have any questions I could answer for you? No problem.
Yeah, how much of is a fresh lavender?
Oh, they're not fresh. They're not. And then the ones with no buds down below, I sell those for $1. Those are like
Do you have any-
Yeah, I'll wrap it in tissue for you.